and they frequently appear as agglomerates. This is because they are bound together by a lipid-like substance called glia, and these masses are known as globi. So they appear as agglomerates because they are bound by a lipid-like substance, the glia, called the glia. Okay, and the masses are known as, these masses are called globi. Okay, and in the parallel rows of the bacilli present as a bundle of cigars, and in the smears they look like, the bundles look like, the group look like the cigarette ends. Okay, in the smears. So let's talk about resistance. So Lepra bacilli have been found to remain viable in warm humid environment for 9 to 16 days. Okay, in warm humid environment for 9 to 16 days they are viable. So first point is found to be viable in warm and humid environment for about 9 to 16 days. Okay, and in moist soil for 46 days. In moist soil, not cell, moist soil for 46 days. Okay, and they survive the exposure to sunlight for 2 hours and ultraviolet light for 30 minutes. So survive, okay, survive, we have survive direct sunlight for 2 hours and UV light just for 30 minutes. Okay, so this much in morphology and resistance. Our next video will be on leprosy.